Hi everybody, Rob here again. Today I'm just chilling in the barrio, having a little cup of coffee here. You see, right there. This is the place I like hanging out, and it's very relaxing. I like watching the people go by. Everyone's real friendly here. I'm gonna turn the camera around. You guys can take a look and see what I see. So I don't know, I've posted a picture like this before a few times of me sitting here having coffee with El Picacho in the distance there. But there's a hospital right there. And it's a lot more stuff here at night, but during the day I just enjoy coming here and relaxing with a cup of coffee. I think I pay 800 pesos for a cup of coffee here. But anyway, it's sort of a little glimpse maybe into the goings on of the barrio. You see there's a traffic circle right here. Sometimes that's the cause for a lot of emotion, people getting clogged up in that traffic circle right there. But otherwise it's pretty chill. You see I parked right over there, my bike right there.